I said, hey, yo, this your boy Tulu, man, back with another video. How y'all doing today? How y'all doing? Hey, okay. Hey, look, keep growing, keep grinding, keep doing your thing. But if everything ain't going right for you right now, just wait, man. 5, 10, 15 minutes, tomorrow, maybe next week, you could definitely be in a better situation. So, hey, chin up, keep trucking, man. All right, man. So today, this is what we gonna be working on right here, man. As y'all know, the last video we installed this alternator power steering pump bracket, and you know, the tensioners and all that good stuff on the pulleys. I did check in my belt that I had on it before, which I already kind of knew it, you know what I'm saying, because it's definitely a different setup. This is too short. I'll throw in a clip right here just for y'all to see. I ain't gonna waste your time with it. And then so what I did was, now I did watch a few videos on how to measure out the pulley, well, the belt and everything, but I ain't gonna lie, y'all, hey, your boy was being lazy. So what I did was I went back to their site where I bought this bracket from. I'll show you right there in the video too as well what bracket I bought. I'll put their name here because I forget it as well. But I went back to their site and they have like reference part numbers for each and every single, you know, like each pulley and everything. So I just got that part number out for the belt, ran to O'Reilly's, and they had it in stock. So we grabbed it. So hopefully this fits. Hey, if not, hey, we can measure it, see how far we off, and go from there, right? But one of the main issues that I'm having right here, y'all, I don't know if y'all can see this. Let me try to see if I can get it focused. All right, so if y'all can look right there, man, that power steering pulley is like off. Like you can see a thread right here in that pulley on top. You could probably see it from there too, right here, that this power steering pulley is like up in front of these, so it's not in line, and it's not in line with the crank as well. Come on, focus. Yeah, it's not in line with the crank as well. So we need to back this pulley up some more. So what I did while I was at O'Reilly's, I already put the little bolt thing in there. I got rented the power steering pulley install, you know, or puller, but that's the part number if you need it. Hey, y'all know I ain't no professional, nor do I claim to be, man. We gonna go through this thing together. But all right, so to make a long story short, we need to get that pulley pushed in. So I already got that bolt and the little pusher on there. So what I just need to do is grab my wrenches and push this thing back. All right, man, then we can just go ahead, throw this belt on. We got the clearance that we need under there, so we good with that for the belt. So hey, let's get to it, man. All right, man, hey, we got that done. Now, hey, I'm gonna show y'all something, because you know, I do this for the backyardigans, the DIYers that out there that don't know what they doing, man. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to y'all, because I don't be knowing what I be doing. So I ended up having to use this little piece right here. It has the two little pieces on there, and you know, they had it in this D and G. All right, so what this does is allow, because this is flat, so this will push it all the way to the, like the rod that's coming out for the power steering. It'll push it all the way up to it, but it won't push it past it. So I needed to go further to get it back in line. As y'all see, you can see the end of it sticking out right there. And what you do is just put this through there like so. Make sure you have that what is that, D around it, so it'll hold it in place, and then boom, man, it'll go right over that shaft and get it pushed back for you. Hey, I told, man, look, I'll do this for the backyard again, because I'll be learning. I need somebody to tell me too. But now I'm seeing like we got another issue since I moved that back. Like I said, it went, the other belt went through there, I guess because the space that it was, but now it's like the end of this pulley is right there on top of this boat. I don't know if y'all can see down there, but hold on, let me see if I can get some light. But yeah, man, it's right there. And shout out to my dude Impala J, man. If y'all ain't, go follow him, man. I should have paid attention when you did that video, man, because I know you had that same issue with the boat. So what I'm gonna have to do, and I hate to kind of do it right there because I don't want to mess the pulley up or nothing, right? I'm gonna have to get something to get that edge off of that boat. So all right, man, we're gonna figure that out and we'll be right back, man. Hold the horse. All right, y'all, so y'all see we got that boat knocked down just on that corner and not too far where I couldn't get it off if it needed to come off. The pulley was not harmed in this process, so I'm glad I had that little Dremel, like for real. All right, man, let's see if we can go ahead and get this belt on here, man. Let's get it. Hey, yo. Yeah, she messaged me too. All right, y'all. Hey, we got our belt on. I'm on the phone with the old lady. Say hey to the missus. Say hey to everybody. She said she had her looking like Tim the Two-Man Taylor, just showing her forehead. All right, but y'all see, hey, we got our belt on there. It was the right fit too. I was having to change it up for a minute. I didn't think it was gonna work. All right, boom, boom, and boom. All right, piece by piece, man. Y'all see, we working, we grinding, doing what we can, man. All right, so next up, I'm gonna have to run back out for that because we're gonna need a I don't know, we're gonna need a new alternator wire for the alternator because hey, we moved it from the passenger side to the driver's side. Also, I'm gonna have to get me another hose for the power steering pump. Because as y'all know, the power steering pump was up here. One of the hoses worked out and it doesn't have a kink in it and everything, but this hose right here, thought I could, oh, it's dripping. Thought I could get it like just turned and moved, but I need it longer than what it is, man. Hey, piece by piece, baby, piece by piece. But hey, like I said, I ain't gonna make these videos too long because y'all don't be watching long videos for real. But I appreciate each and every single one of y'all. Until next time, hey, if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on your post notification bell so you'll get the drop whenever I drop any video, go live or do short, man. Hey, till next time, man, I appreciate all y'all, for real. Salute, salute, salute. Let's get it.